I'm Elle Lawless. I'm the Programs Manager at Sea Change, focused on creating beneficial change for our society, economy and environment. Sea Change helps the community embrace circular economy principles through volunteer-led groups, stalls and talks and fun events to educate people on that, and refusing, repairing, reusing, all of those important principles. So they run monthly repair cafes, activities like clothes swaps and plant swaps, and the whole circular system with food waste. It would be really helpful for government and business to speed up their efforts for us to go plastic free, to stop using single-use items, the right to repair them and not have them end up in landfill or in the environment as pollution, to get on with making the policy that supports these systems. It's everyone's responsibility to get involved in creating a more circular economy here in Canberra, so there's big benefits all round.